Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to make macaroni and cheese. So this is SeveredVlogs shells and cheese macaroni and cheese right here. It's original kind. You should be able to find this at like almost every window you go to or whatever. It's pretty easy to find. But we'll be showing you how to make it. As you can see here, there's directions right here. Well, we'll be going into more detail about these in today's video. So, wondering how to make macaroni and cheese? This video will help you. Step 1, open this flap right here. And then take this out. And yeah, should look like this right here. Step 2, you want to fill this up to the half line right here. It looks like this now. Step 3, and you want to microwave it. You want to press the 3, and then they add 30 seconds right here. There you go, guys. It should be 30 minutes and 30 seconds. Or just wait. Also, don't forget to throw away your garbage. Yeah, keep her clean, guys. Ooh, I love my mac and cheese. Oh, it's ready. Right there. Wow, Russian. Right there. Next step is to cut this open here. I'm going to cut this open. It's okay if you get cheese on your scissors, you can always wash it off later. Now you want to put cheese in here. That already looks tasty. You don't want just macaroni in here. It's kind of taking me a while. I'll skip through it. Now you want to stir it. It's quite hard with the camera. You guys feel hungry? You should try this. It's like the easiest thing you can make in your house. And enjoy, guys. Right there, enjoy. Oh, yum. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye guys.